Thoughtless speech cuts like a sharp double-edged sword. That words have the power to heal. Words are powerful. They can hurt, but more importantly, they can heal. In today's video, we're diving into 3 ways you can use your tongue to bring positivity and healing into your life and the lives of others. First up, compliments. A genuine compliment can light up someone's day. It's free, takes just a second, and can make a world of difference. Think of the last time someone complimented you. Feels good, right? Pass that feeling on. Second, apologies. Saying I'm sorry can mend a broken relationship. It shows vulnerability and a willingness to make things right. Don't let pride stand in the way of healing. Lastly, encouragement. Words of encouragement can lift someone out of a dark place. Tell your friend they're doing great, even when the going gets tough. Your words might be the push they need to keep going. So there you have it. Compliments, apologies, and encouragement. Simple words with the power to heal. Use your tongue wisely and spread positivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content.